Presido Tinubu on Wednesday, June 11, 2025, officially opened the newly finished arterial road N16, one big road wey connect Nnamdi Azikiwe Expressway go arterial road N20, wey dem dey call Wole Soyinka Way, plus one interchange and other small roads for Abuja-Katampe district. This big project link Jahi, Katampe, Maitama and Mabushi districts together. Na part of FCT's plan to develop the city well and na key part of Tinubu renewed hope agenda. As Tinubu dey talk for the opening ceremony, him say infrastructure na main thing wey go make Naija grow better, bring people together and make money dey flow. Him yarn say im government go continue to put money for important sectors like road, rail, lights, hospitals, school and digital things to make Naija better pass before. The President thank FCT Minister Wike for him good work and also praise the communities wey dem relocate from the road area. Him say dem pay dem better compensation and arrange new places for them to stay. Him say this na real development wey get human being for heart. Tinubu also talk to the traditional rulers and people wey dem move for their land, thank them for their patience and cooperation.
We thank the Minister FCT too for relocating your community with peace and good compensation. We have somebody in Wike. He's not a member of my party, not yet.
Not yet.
But the day he changes his mind and registered with Progressive, we will welcome him. Because we will enjoy him in singing. It affirms our commitment to urban transformation under our Renew Hope agenda. Since assuming office in May 23, this administration has been guided by a philosophy anchored on reform and regeneration. This road will ease traffic, congestion around central Abuja, and improved connectivity to developing districts such as Katampe and Jahi and Mabushi. It will stimulate housing and business growth while serving as a foundation for future city integration. Infrastructure is not a luxury. It is a necessity. It is the bedrock of national competitiveness, growth, social integration, and economic opportunity. We recognize that our nation's development is linked to the quality of infrastructure, connecting people, cities, and industries. There's no way industrialization will flourish without good roads. We are investing in roads, rail, power, healthcare, education, and digital infrastructure. It is only through this coordinated and integrated development that we can unlock Nigeria's full potential. I promise you we will. And we will continue to build. We will continue to serve the people. No matter how much the naysayers pursue their politics.
For him own speech, FCT Minister Wike talk say this project starts for October 2024 under Tinubu government and him praise the contractor for doing the work sharp. Him say contractors dey happy to work for FCT now because government dey pay them on time and they support them wella. Wike yarn say they pay the affected communities 200% compensation, arrange new houses for them, and make sure say nobody disturb the project. Him still promise Tinubu say all the contracts wey this government award for FCT and say them no go abandon any. Him promise say before the third year of this government, nearly all the projects go don complete. According to Wike, FCT residents dey very happy for all the good work wey Tinubu dey do for Abuja, and them dey expect more development under the renewed hope agenda.
This road was awarded by your administration. It is not one of those projects that we inherited. Companies, contractors are competing among themselves. Just let them award the job. Most of them have gone without even giving them the initial mobilization. That is confidence building, and that's what you've created. no one contract that you are awarded under the FCT will be abandoned. By the time you do your third year in office next year, you will see that virtually all the contracts you are awarded under you as the president, as the chairman of the Presido Council, will all have finished them to the glory of God. This road again leads to all the judges' quarters, the Court of Appeal, the Federal High Court, and the Federal Capital Territory. By the grace of God, I don't know the particular day where that will be commissioned, but I know that they have finished it and the judges' quarters are almost ready.
Permanent Secretary of Federal Capital Development Agency, Dr. Olusade Adesola, comes to chook mouth on top the road project. Him talk say,
the project was awarded to Mr. CGC Nigeria Limited in September last year and work commenced immediately. The scope of works, Your Excellency, includes the construction of an interchange which has 2 bridges, a flyover with interconnecting loops that connects to the Ring Road 1 and the Shehu Shagari Way flying over the Ring Road 1 Expressway, which is the Nnamdi Azikiwe Expressway. It connects Maitama district in phase 1 of the city to Katampe district in phase 2 and extends up to Jahi district, terminating at the arterial road N20, the Solo Wale Soyinka Way, in phase 2 of the city. The arterial road N16 is a 6-lane dual carriageway, including a parking, which makes it an 8-lane road with a total length of about 3.7 kilometers.
make una no forget say, as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. Ohifemi Onosimo, TMC News.